Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, A Trick to Learn. In this video, you will have the opportunity to know the names of 7 continents and 5 oceans of the world. Please like the video if you like it, then press the subscribe button and ring the bell icon, and you will get latest videos of this channel. Even don't forget to share this liked video by you. Let us start the video on behalf of the continents. Number 1. Asia. Number 2. Africa. Number 3. North America. Number 4. South America. Number 5. Europe. Number 6. Australia. Number 7. Antarctica. Then, name of the oceans or Mahasagaro का नाम. Number 1. Pacific Ocean. Number 2. Atlantic Ocean. Number 3. Indian Ocean. Number 4. Southern Ocean or Dakhin Mahasagar. Number 5. Arctic Ocean or Uttar Mahasagar. Thanks for